If you're a MacBook user, there are times when resetting your device is a must. Whether you're selling it, fixing performance issues, or just starting anew, factory resetting is key. When selling or giving away your MacBook, remember to sign out of your Apple ID to protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized access. Tap System Settings and Apple ID. Click Sign Out to conclude the process. If you have purchased and installed apps from the App Store, it is recommended that you deauthorize your device. Go to the Apple Music app. Click on Account from the menu. Tap Authorization and deauthorize this computer. Click Deauthorize. Enter your Apple ID password and click on the Deauthorize. You can do same for all the apps. Resetting a MacBook via the Settings app. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Settings. Click on General in the sidebar. Select Transfer or Reset on the right side. Click Erase all content and settings. Enter your administrator password if prompted. Click Unlock. Review the details of what will be erased: data, apps, settings. Click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If you want to go a step further and perform a factory reset on your MacBook via the recovery mode, shut down your MacBook, turn it back on, and immediately press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear. These steps are for MacBook Pro M1 chip. For others, check out the link in description. This will boot your Mac into macOS recovery mode. Choose Options here and select Continue. Select the user and click Next. Enter the password for that user and select Continue. From the Utilities window, select Disk Utility and click Continue. Identify your hard drive, usually named Macintosh HD or your name. You can verify this by its size. Click the Erase button in the toolbar. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the erase is complete, close Disk Utility. Back in the Utilities window, select Reinstall macOS. Click Continue when prompted. The macOS installer will take you through the reinstallation process. Choose your target disk, usually the one you erased, and follow the on-screen instructions. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.